Hey, this is the tutorial for Jingle Bells, okay? Most of you guys have played this one already. You might have played it starting on second finger on the A string last year. We're gonna start second finger on the D string because we're getting really good at the D string in our group class this year. So there's also 2 extra notes where we say hey in there, okay? So we start second finger. I'm gonna go kind of slowly here at the beginning. So now here's a hey. So that's Jingle Bells slow, playing on the D string. Let's do it a little bit faster, okay? So here's your introduction. Ready, play. Okay, do you think we can go faster? I think we can. Let's try it. Just a smidge faster. I know the people who just said no too. No, don't go faster. Just try it. If you get lost, what should you do? Just wait till you hear it and jump back in. Should you cry? Nope. Should you throw your violin on the floor? Nope. That wouldn't be good anyway. Here we go. You could just keep playing Jingle Bells. Just go back to F sharp and keep playing Jingle Bells if you get lost. Here we go. Ready? Ready, play. Good. So that's about as fast as we'll go for Jingle Bells when we play it for the holiday concert and our videos. That's it for the Jingle Bells class.